It's a little day in the life of a shop kid. These Hurst Airheart aviation brake calipers from this Nova over here. 73 Nova stock car, been sitting under a bush. But yeah, cleaned these up, degreased them, got the pistons out of them. They're really corroded inside. I had to use air pressure to blast them out, and a lot of them didn't want to come out. So yeah, I had to sand all in this inner radius in here and get those all smooth again. And then yeah, I'm gonna take these lines off, get these all situated. Got to add some heat to get them out because they've been there for so long. So yeah, just doing that, and then now I'm about to do the same thing on these master cylinders. Got the same issues. These ones were seized up, and yeah, just really didn't want to come apart. It took us a few days to get this one apart. Had to let it soak. So yeah, just going through everything. Gonna redo all the internals, clean everything up, get all that rust and crust off of there, and rebuild them and put them back in.